Nasi. I'm back with really simple recipe today. It is called soft tofu ramen. In Korean, it'll be sundubu yeolramen. It is the hottest trend in Korea. People said that it does taste like a soft tofu stew once you put soft tofu in your ramen. I was so curious about it, and it really does taste like a soft tofu stew. I don't know who discovered it, but it is amazing. So if you're ready, let's get started. This is a yeolramen. I think this is one of the spiciest ramen except for our fire noodle. When you open this up, you'll find the noodle, a vegetable mix, and ramen mix. I'm gonna use half of it. So crack it using your hands. Put 1 cup of water in a pot and put a soft tofu inside. I'm gonna divide them into several pieces using a wooden spoon. Bring it to boil in a medium heat. When they start making a bubble, put a half of vegetable mix and half of ramen mix. Then put a noodle inside and let them simmer for 2 minutes. Lift noodles up in the air so that noodles get chewy. Crash 1 egg and put them inside a ramen. Let them simmer for a minute and put a sliced spring onion inside. Let them boil for 1 more minute and turn up the heat. After placing them on a bowl, put a pinch of pepper on it. You can see that egg is slightly undercooked. You can make an egg like me, but you can make hard-boiled egg. It really does taste like a soft tofu stew, sundubu-jjigae. Making sundubu-jjigae is really bothersome, so I recommend making it using a yeolramen. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!